What is the Canadian equivalent of an EIN and how do I get it? When US businesses expand into Canada, one of the first administrative questions they face is, what's the Canadian equivalent of an EIN? In Canada, the equivalent is known as a business number, BN. This number is issued by the Canada Revenue Agency, CRA, and serves as the universal identifier for your business across all federal tax accounts. Getting a BN is often the very first step for foreign businesses entering Canada, but understanding what it does, how it works, and how to obtain it can save you time and prevent mistakes many non-residents make during registration. What exactly is a business number, BN? A business number is a unique 9-digit identifier assigned to organizations doing business with the federal government. Unlike the US, where businesses juggle multiple federal and state identifiers, Canada uses a centralized system. Once assigned, your BN becomes the foundation for various CRA program accounts, such as corporate income tax, payroll deductions, import-export accounts. Each new program you register for simply adds a 2-letter code to your BN, creating a streamlined system that follows your business throughout its life cycle. How the system differs from the US and an EIN identifies a business for federal tax purposes in the United States. A BN does the same in Canada but plays a wider role. While an EIN is mainly tied to IRS reporting, a BN connects multiple tax accounts under one umbrella. This centralized structure simplifies administration but requires foreign companies to choose the correct programs when registering. A US business may obtain a BN without incorporating in Canada, making it accessible even at early stages of market entry. How to get a business number as a non-resident. The process varies slightly depending on your business activities, but non-residents generally have two options: register directly with the CRA or work through a Canadian representative. Most US companies can register simply by contacting the CRA's non-resident business line. You'll be asked basic details about your business structure, contact information, the type of activities you will conduct in Canada, and which program accounts you require. Once the information is verified, the CRA assigns your BN and any associated tax accounts. A practical example. Imagine a US digital services company that begins supplying software subscriptions to Canadian consumers. Even without a physical presence, the company may be required to register for GST/HST. The first step, obtaining a business number. The company contacts the CRA, explains the nature of its business, and obtains a BN linked to a GST/HST account. No Canadian corporation, no Canadian office, just compliance aligned with the rules. Later, if the company hires a Canadian employee or begins importing goods, additional accounts can be added under the same BN. This flexibility allows US businesses to expand gradually without re-registering from scratch. Final thoughts. A business number is Canada's answer to the EIN, but its centralized design makes it even more versatile. From GST/HST to payroll to import-export, the BN connects all your federal tax obligations under one identifier. Understanding when you need one and how to obtain it ensures your expansion into Canada is smooth, compliant, and properly structured from day one. If you require assistance with Canadian tax matters, our team is ready to provide reliable professional support. Please contact us at 416-283-8774 or visit theaccountingandtax.com for more information. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share.